students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are the vectors 3i plus j plus 4k and I minus j plus k. So we have two vectors. Let's suppose a vector and b vector, and they will form a parallelogram. Correct? And this will be the parallelogram. Correct? Now area vector, area of this parallelogram, area of parallelogram will be equals to cross product of these two vectors, that is a vector cross b vector and magnitude of that. Correct? So we have both the vectors. We'll just do cross product and we'll find the area of this parallelogram. So cross product, how we will do? I cap, j cap, k cap, and we will write all this constants. So 3i, 1j and 4k, 1i minus j and plus k. Correct? Now we will solve this determinant to find the area of parallelogram. So this will be equals to I cap. Now we'll hide this. So 1 minus 4. So it will be 1 plus 4. Correct? Minus j. And we'll hide this and this. So 3 ones are 3 minus 4. This will become 3 minus 4 plus k cap. And this will hide. So minus 3 minus 1. This will become minus 3 minus 1. This is equals to 5i cap. And we are supposed to find magnitude of this. Okay, remember, we are supposed to find magnitude of this vector. So this will be 5i cap. Minus will become plus. This is minus 1 and minus will become plus. So it will become plus j. It will become plus j cap. And here it will become minus 4k cap. Correct? Now magnitude of this vector. So magnitude of this vector will be root of 5 square, which is 25, plus 1 square plus minus 4 square, which is 16. So 25 plus 1, 26, 36 plus 6. So root 42. So correct answer will be area of parallelogram will be root 42. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.